Most of you are probably familiar with my free course on how to make money with apps with AdMob. This time it's different. I am going to show you my little secret framework that I use for AdMob, and it's called Smart AdMob. Yes, you are going to implement AdMob with one line of code. I'm so excited to show you Smart AdMob, so let's take a look at the features it has. One line of code integration. While the usual integration of AdMob has quite a lot of lines of code, in this course you'll learn how to do it with only one line of code. Flexible framework. The example in the free course discusses how to show a bottom banner ad only. In this course, you'll be able to show a top banner too. As a matter of fact, you'll be able to put it anywhere you want. Example projects. You will get your hands on the projects that I will be building through the course. And this will be a UI kit project and a SpriteKit one. So game on! But before we dive in, let's discuss why you should definitely choose AdMob for your monetization system. With AdMob, you can earn more mediation because of the built-in powerful ad network optimization that generates the highest CPM from our mediation stack in real time. You can promote your apps for free. You can cross-sell your other apps to your existing users using free AdMob house ads. Run your own directly negotiated ad deals with advertisers through AdMob campaigns. Furthermore, you get paid in local currencies. Also, there are no standard fees for using the platform. And if that wasn't enough, the fill rates are nearly 100%. That's an industry standard for Google. So let's recap. Over 1 million apps use AdMob. Over $1 billion were paid to developers. You get fast, reliable payments in local currencies, high CPMs, and the best fill rates. AdMob is truly the power horse of ad networks it claims to be. And in this course, I will show you how to integrate it with one single line of code with the help of Smart AdMob. So let's get to it.